Here we are, the first snowstorm of 2018. Big, huge, fluffy flakes everywhere. Now over here is Boulder Creek that has been rushing for about 24 hours now because of all the rain. And here we are at the boulders at 743 Cove. Hi, Mikey.
Hey. My rock is covered with snow. And my gable. Look at this, man. There's 4 inches of snow already.
Nice. And down here is the Simons part of Boulder Creek that's been rushing since last night. And this is the part of Boulder Creek that is on the Cove Drive property line. You can see the water is still rushing from the mountains.
Take my picture, please.
And now it's time to say goodbye and start shoveling.